All right, they just finished. Look at that beast. So it's a 30 by 40 pole barn. I still got to get some garage doors on it. And the company I went with is Armor Metals. I'm in Augusta, Georgia. If you go to their website, armormetals.com, you can get a quote for a pole barn or just these trusses right here. All their prices on there are accurate. But I was surprised. I thought they were gonna go with 2x4s on the side, but you can see I got some 2x6s. Put a door and a window. And check this out. I didn't even know these existed. So these are called Snoot trusses, and it allows you to put like an overhang without having a post right here. So the total price for all this, I made a video about it before, but it's $31,000. So it was $17,000 for all the metal and everything. And then the slab, not this concrete here, but the actual slab of the pole barn, that was $7,000, which I thought was super reasonable. And then $7,000 for the labor. So that puts us at about $31,000 for the whole thing. That little area in the back that I showed you, that was an additional like $1,500 bucks. So let me know in the comments, in your location, is that a reasonable price for a pole barn this size?